Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Thursday 28th of July. And you do know that Thursday is amazing days for Bitcoin to actually make another move to the upside. Bitcoin is now trading at $22,951. And yesterday on the signal I actually said that comment on market situation. There are three big news this week and they shall set the tone. What the freaking hell, internet? I was reading something to the people. What the hell? What the bloody hell is this? Oh, come on. Right, load very quickly, load. Anyway, there's another article that is opened up at the moment. So this is an article from Crypto Potato, and we saw that the Fed's announcement again exercises its influence over global markets, including Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's volatility surged once again following the latest Federal Open Markets Committee FOMC meeting. The primary cryptocurrency rose by 2.5% in response to the US Central Bank's announcement of another 75 basis point hike to its policy rate. Trading for only 21,688, Bitcoin quickly pumped to $22,209 shortly after the rate hike was announced, as writing it trades as 21,905, and right now it's nearly 23,000. Actually, it did touch even $23,000, and now we're continuing. I don't know what the hell this Discord is not really loading, but anyway, we're going to continue on with the chart. So one thing I wanted to show you about this one on the Discord is that Bitcoin might be coming up to this level, $24,174. And what I do see now is one thing and nothing else, and that's a textbook fake out of a falling wedge. Okay, so this was your falling wedge right there, right? You had a falling wedge just like that, and instead you made a fake out, and we like to call this a textbook fake out. So what did you do? You actually went to the downside. When you went for the retest, fake out, boom, push to the upside, and now you're looking to actually go up to $24,000. Now, the reason why this is absolutely perfect falling wedge fake out is because I've seen this previously done before, and let me show you actually where we did a textbook fake out back in history. Okay, so there's a lot to talk about in this update as well, but let me show you one thing that Bitcoin did as a fake out back in the days. And I think it was somewhere here where we had that fake out, and Bitcoin really pushed to the moon once again. So yeah, this is your falling wedge and the textbook fake out, and it does that a lot of time, and that's when you bottomed out for Bitcoin. So from there to there, and this was when I was talking about the textbook fake out as well, and this was something like that. So boom, right? This was another falling wedge, nearly somewhere like something like this, right? Was it this one? Actually, this one. This was another falling wedge right over there. So what did you do for Bitcoin? You were going up, came down, went up, came down, went up, went to the downside, make a fake out, and then boom, absolutely pushed to the moon. And this is where you actually just exploded to the upside after making that fake out. You just completely exploded. Now the reason why this explosion happens after a fake out is because Bitcoin at that point liquidates people, takes people's stop losses, and they have the power to move higher. And that's just the, like, let's say, the villainous move about Bitcoin by the end of the day, because just as I say, this is stupid Bitcoin, and stupid Bitcoin is going to be remaining as a stupid Bitcoin at all, you know. And one more thing I realized is that maybe I might have made my charts to look different. Maybe my charts were not really well put, because my trend line was a little bit you know, like this, which is actually valid as well, but I do actually recognize yesterday that this was potentially a trend line that was supposed to be more vertical, more than actually being in an ascending manner. Okay, and this was like your consolidation box, break to the upside, came for the retest, you're holding it like a boss, and just notice how you're putting in a morning star at the moment. So I do reckon that Bitcoin is interested to move higher, come up to $24,000, and who knows, we can actually just continue a push to the $27,000 as well. But let's see what happens. Thursday is going to be amazing. That's my take about Bitcoin at the moment. Fridays could actually be amazing as well. But I don't know, maybe Saturday, Sunday we can have a little bit of a pullback, and keep in mind we also have morning star at the moment. So today is going to be amazing. You do have 2 hours to open up new candlestick. Today shouldn't be an issue. Tomorrow shouldn't be an issue with Bitcoin moving to the upside. I'm expecting Bitcoin to come up to $24,000. That's the technical target out of the falling wedge. Can it go higher? Definitely can go higher, but we're going to see what happens in that point. Maybe hit your head here, come down and retest 23,349, and then boom, push up next week to the upside. And then who knows, by start of the next month you might just go up to 27k maybe, and then start to push to the downside. Keep in mind we have 3 black rows, and maybe by the second week of next month you actually start to roll to the downside. And that's it for today's update on Bitcoin, guys. Do join our Discord. This is your Discord, guys, and that's the signals which I was talking about. Okay, so market situation. There are 3 big news this week. They shall set the tone for pumps and dumps. Today's FOMC meeting, we don't know if it's a bad news or not, so finger crossed. Okay, I never even talked about Bitcoin being bearish at that time. Tomorrow we shall know if we're in recession or not. So today we actually are going to get another news about the recession news. And Google is also going to reveal their balance sheet. Amazon is going to reveal their balance sheet as well. So we have news that can cause pump too, so not being entirely bearish. And at that time, I'm pretty sure Bitcoin was down nearly at these levels. We're actually down at 21,000 when I was talking about this one. And just like, I had my finger crossed, we had a very lovely, beautiful move with FTT, took another FTT entry, and we do have like 3 more days to close the signals. This was our last trade, FTT, and I was entering FTT at $25 ranges, and this was when I was given the call for FTT as well, with the technical reason why. And that's the beauty of Signal. Okay, it's all logic, all setup. We trade setups, and this was when I was taking in the entry. You can already see that we're down here, went to the upside. We're already nearly like what is this, from there to there. We're already 10% up. We're looking to still move higher. And that's it for today's update on Bitcoin, guys. It is what it is. I don't know why. There's one more thing I just want to talk about before I actually end the video. I'm just going to dive into the weekly at the moment. And let's look at the weekly right now. So you can already see the weekly wick. And yesterday I was talking about how this weekly candlestick was actually kind of bullish. I just don't know what I don't remember the name of this candlestick, but it was actually bullish. Bullish Marubozu, something without, with a wick to the upside. So it's like when you have that candle like this, and then the body closes like this, right? The candle looks like this, with no wick to the downside, and you have the wick to the upside. That's actually bullish, and the next candle becomes green actually. That was something that I was trying to talk about, but I didn't find the name of this candlestick. Maybe potentially today I'm actually gonna do some little bit of googling to see what the hell I was missing at, right? So anyways, gonna see you at 24,000. Who knows, come up to 25,000 as well. And be careful for the new month, because we might have a August to be red, and that will be the end of the final dump to the downside. Move to the downside on August or September maybe. Who knows? We might have even bottomed out completely. You never know. You really never know. You might just come up here, make a right shoulder. This could be your left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, and then all of a sudden you're putting yourself on a technical journey to $50,000 as well. So whatever this is going to be, stick to this video until the end, to this update, until the end, and I'm going to see you tomorrow again with the next one. Allah Hafiz.